All right, happy homeowners. Man, look at the video below this one. The one we did this morning, only an hour. But, we've done some extra sanding. We're trying to get rid of these pet urine stains. Got rid of most of them. There were a few that we couldn't get rid of, so we're going to replace the boards. But this thing is night and day difference. Let's walk inside. They're still working, so it's going to be noisy. Hold your ears. But look at that. Look at that already. So he's replacing the boards right now. So we still have to sand it another 5 or 6 times. Got to do a lot of fill in all the little gaps and cracks. So now the homeowner has to make the decision if they want to stay beautiful, light, natural look. We'll find out. Stick around.